Welcome back, my kings and queens. It is me, Pamela, aka the Awakened Aphrodite, and today I want to talk to you about the best zodiac combinations for couples. And the thing that I want to say, well, first follow me on Instagram at the Awakened Aphrodite. I'm pretty sure that I'm shadow banned, so I would super appreciate if you would follow me there and support me because of the nature of what I do. I can't really like run ads or anything like that as well. So I'd super appreciate it if you did that. And I also just want to say, I love love. I think that you can make it work with anyone if they want to as well, right? And this is by no means a definitive list. And the thing that you want to keep in mind is that this isn't just about sun sign placements. It's so much deeper than that. If you have very prominent energies in your chart that are different from your sun sign, especially look at the moon, the Venus, the Mars, right, as well, it's all very important. So let's get into this. So one of my favorite zodiac combinations is Scorpio and Cancer. Scorpio and Cancer together, sometimes it can be a little bit toxic. Like, who are we kidding? But Scorpio and Cancer together are just like so yummy. They get each other on this deeper level. And I feel like they also keep each other in check. Like, they get each other in this way that many other people wouldn't, and they almost like see each other's souls, which I am super, super, super in love with. So my next favorite, and these are not going in any particular order, so you're gonna have to watch this whole video. And my next favorite is Aries and Leo. I love Aries and Leo together. And the reason why is because Leo is like the prize to be got, and Aries loves a good fucking prize. Like, who are we kidding? Aries wants to feel like they got it, like they won it, right? And so I absolutely love this pairing together. And also, Leo is like probably one of the few signs that can deal with Aries like arrogance and bullshit. Because if it, as long as it means improving their life and their lifestyle and all this kind of stuff, the Leo is going to be like, you know what? I'm just, don't embarrass me. I think like that would be the biggest issue between them both is Aries can be a bit possessive. So they might be like, sorry, how many people are hitting on you right now? Right? I can't handle this. And Leo might be like, don't fucking embarrass me. And that would be the biggest issue that they have. But if they can get over that, they are a great, great, great pairing. I also love Sagittarius and Pisces. So Sagittarius and Pisces is one of these ones where they can get like lost in the ethers, and it's hard to find a good Sagittarius and Pisces match just because they're both such big energies that like more often than not it can be too fucking much. And like this is where I also really like Sag and Capricorn type energy. Um, but when you can find like a Sagittarius and Pisces that have really done the work and can really come together and hold each other in that way, especially if they have some like grounding placements in there, it is like out of this world. Like they are just flying through the ethers together. And it is such a yummy, yummy, yummy combination. It's like pure fucking ecstasy and magic. So the other one is Leo and Taurus. Oh my goodness. Leo and Taurus is a weird one. And this can be tricky again, but Leo and Taurus together, I really, really love. And the reason why is because a really good Taurus aims to please, and Leos will just eat that shit up, right? Like Leos love that and they need that. And then the other one that I really like, of course, is like Scorpio and Taurus, because they get that depth that other people are just not going to get, and they're going to get it in a way. It's like the Scorpio needs that Taurus activation and the Taurus needs that Scorpio activation, and it is just pure yum and steamy hot bliss. Um, yeah, I really, really love that. Although, like, the Scorpio might frighten the Taurus in some ways. And I feel like any Taurus hearing that will be like, no, they won't. But I've seen it happen. Okay, I'm just saying. The other one that I really love, now this is another strange one, but oddly, Libra and Virgo. And it wouldn't be what you would initially think, I don't feel like. I feel like a lot of people might not agree with us, but my reasoning behind this is because Libras can kind of get whatever they want. Like, let's face it. Like, a Libra at their finest can kind of like bamboozle the pants off of anyone, and like you don't even see them coming. Like, they so fly under the radar, no one even talks about them. But the Virgo won't let them do that shit. Like, if anyone is like, I see you. So they might actually rub each other the wrong way in many cases, but when they do come together, it is this delicious, like, yummy haven. And it's very much like they give each other the permission that the other one needs. And, like, let's face it, Virgo at the end of the day just wants real love and true love. So I know a lot of people will say, like, Virgo and Taurus together, and that's good. But, like, in my palace, I like to add a little extra flair. So we're going to put you with the Libras. Like, the sorting hat's coming down, and I'm sorting everyone. Okay, the next one is, Capricorn and Scorpio. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm like turned on even just saying Capricorn and Scorpio. Like, holy shit. These two, it's pure passion. It's pure steam. It's like pure potential for kink. It's just so fucking good. I like almost don't even have the words for it. It is like sweet and savory all at the same time. Like, even just thinking about it, like, oh my gosh, I'm like getting so turned on thinking about Capricorn and Scorpio together. It is hot. It is so sexy. It is just like, oh my goodness, like the most perfect combination ever. This is like the quintessential power couple as well. Not to say that the other ones aren't, but this is just like such dynamic vibes that I love it. Another one is Gemini and Virgo. So let's face it, the only person that can handle a Gemini is like another Gemini. People say Sagittarius, but I'm a Sagittarius, and I'm like, I don't know if even we can handle a Gemini. So I love Gemini and Gemini together. Honestly, I think that is like one of the best couplings. But I also really like Gemini and Virgo, because they kind of bring the playfulness back to the Virgos. And again, they will probably rub each other the wrong way, but in some ways. But the Virgo, if they can hack it, will experience like nothing they've ever experienced before in their life. And it will just allow them to open back up to that really playful side of them as well. I also really love Sagittarius and Aquarius together. I also am realizing that I'm probably going to have to make like 30 of these videos because I'm already feeling like, oh my gosh, I'm leaving so many things out and all these things. But I also like Sagittarius and Aquarius together so, so, so much. This is another one where the only issue with Sagittarius and Aquarius is like, can they even stay together? Because they're both so like off in their own fucking worlds that the only trouble there is like, can they even stay together? But if they do, and if they have like grounding elements between themselves, and like somebody is holding that space, right? like the masculine energy in that relationship is really holding that container and that space, like of the relationship, like, yeah, we're in this, then it can be so profound, right? If not, if there isn't that holding vibe, then it's a complete fucking disaster. Like, who are we kidding? Just because of the fact that, like, they both want to do their own thing, and who's going to tell them what to do? Not each other, although that's exactly what they're going to try. They might try and do, right? But when it works really, really, really well. Um, and I also love Cancer and Libra together. I super love Cancer and Libra together. I really, really do. In some ways, they might feel like they don't understand each other and things like that. But Libra provides this place for Cancer to really begin to unfold into and open into, that is quite yummy. And, you know, I could go on about this forever. Like, this is my favorite topic ever. So if you want me to make like a part 2 of this, comment below. If you want me to make individual videos about this, comment below. What did I miss? Who did I miss? I feel like I missed like so many things and people and all this stuff. So I love you so much, and I'm excited to hear your feedback. I love talking about love. And please do make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post all of the happenings and all of the info. And I also have a waiting list, or an email list rather, that I'm going to link below. And then that way, if my channel like doesn't, whatever, you know, the shadow banning takes over, then you'll know where to find me. And you'll also get like discounts and early access to like anything that I launch, and anything like that. So you will be the first in the know always. And whether it's day or night, you know, I love you, I love you, I love you, and I will see you very soon. Bye.